so I don't forget. And turn this back on. So yeah, good morning, you guys. Thank you for joining in. I know that I was like a few minutes late. This morning was a little bit hectic. I had to help my mom with some stuff. But yes, I'm ready to hop on here and I'm so excited for this week. I'm ready to go over all the pairs that I've listed. Y'all are amazing. Aw. Yay, I'm happy you like the course. I've been waiting to hear back from you, like patiently been waiting. But that makes me feel so good, you guys. So let's dive into this. Well, first I probably should go over the news real quick. EurUsd. So I'm gonna look for Euro news. I know there's no news for the pairs I'm in, because I already checked that, but it looks like there's nothing to really worry about for any of the pairs that I've listed. So we are in the clear as far as news goes. And I'll even check Tuesday just in case y'all hold y'all trades throughout the night. A little bit of USD news. There's always USD news in the morning. Yeah, just some USD news to watch for. FOMC is tomorrow too, you guys. FOMC usually causes the market to sell a bit, and it's normally with pairs that are like NzdUsd or AUDUSD. So basically XXX USD pairs might possibly sell tomorrow around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because of FOMC. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and look at my charts. So NzdUsd, you guys, we're going to start with that. Hey, beautiful. I'm like trying to look at the comments while literally the phone is at a weird angle. Y'all blowing up the comment section. I'm so excited. Ah. Okay, let me not get distracted though, because this is being recorded for my YouTube channel that I have been trying to be so consistent with. But anywho, NzdUsd, you guys, 15-minute time frame. I was gonna send this signal out to my chat, y'all, but literally, I feel like my signals have been real I don't know. So I'm probably gonna send out some signals tomorrow. And not to mention, I usually don't trade on Mondays, but it's like every time I hop on here and I do my analysis, the trades usually play out, and then I'd be mad because Tuesday come around and sometimes I don't be seeing those setups. So I was like, I'm about to just take this setup, whatever, you know. So long story short, NzdUsd is bearish. I am in for a sale currently. I got in literally right at where my zone is. I put this alert here just in case this thing like pushed up. Because I'm like, I feel like it's gonna sell, but I don't know, I'm still like so we'll see. I trust my analysis for the most part, so I'm already in this. If it's a lose, it's a lose, but yeah. No, I don't trade AUDUSD. Hey, Danny. Hey, Shay. Hey. I don't trade AUDUSD because I mean, there's no real reason why I don't trade it. I just stick to like 1 to 2 pairs. And lately I've been trading NzdUsd and GBPUSD, but even I haven't traded GBPUSD in like the last couple weeks or so. I've been really trading NzdUsd. Y'all know NzdUsd is my favorite pair to trade, hands down. I've been trading this pair for 3 years straight. So, yeah, what I will say is this pair and AUDUSD move together. I just don't trade them together, and there's no real reason why I don't. I'm not one of those traders that literally takes a whole bunch of trades, a whole bunch of pairs. I don't got time. It's too much. Yeah, they correlate to the T. But I am in this pair right now for a sale. So that's what I will say about NzdUsD. I'm not going to stay on this chart too long. I want to go to EurUsd. Yes, it definitely does. Yeah, I've always known that those pairs correlate. I always tell people, if you know NzdUsD, then you know AUD/USD like the back of your hand, because those pairs correlate to the T. I just don't trade AUD/USD. There's no real reason why I don't. I just don't trade it. Moving on to EurUsD though. Let me see what my chart. I don't even know when did I do this? I feel like I did this. I feel like I did this, Elena, when you sent that that message in the chat asking about the buy. So what I will say is, looking at the J chart for EurUsD, you clearly see the trend is down, like very much so down. And not to mention, when I marked this zone, price actually was not, it didn't break it. So this thing might possibly be still selling. Let me check the weekly to see something. Because right now I'm seeing a downtrend. Anytime I see a downtrend, you know, you want to be looking for sales. And I know I said in the chat that it should be the beginning of a long-term buy, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't watch DXY. I hear about it. I know a little bit about it. I know that it's like one of those things that controls like the US dollar or moves with the US dollar, but I don't focus on DXY, to be quite honest. I never have, honestly. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I've never focused on DXY, to be honest. But what I will say is for EurUsD, I'm bringing this zone down just a touch, because this is like a potential demand zone, which is why I said that this could be the beginning of a long-term buy for EurUsD. But I wouldn't get in for that buy just yet. I would wait for that bullish candle to close out first on the weekly, just so you know you're making sure you're not getting an early entry, because this thing could keep selling, but it is at a level where it could possibly reverse. So I will be waiting on this day candle, day candle right now that's open, to see if that closes strong bullish. And as long as that closes strong bullish and you get your trigger candle, you should be able to take a long-term buy for EurUsD. But right now it's super downtrend, so I would definitely wait and see, you know, what candles form that let you know that this thing is gonna reverse. Because right now, like I said, y'all, it's super downtrend. Thank you, babe. I need your name so I can refer to you as your name, but thank you, Burning Pure. I know we spoke briefly. Yeah, so EurUsD is overall bearish at the moment. I do believe it's gonna buy soon, but yeah, y'all, don't get in for that buy yet. You need to wait for them trigger candles to form, because there's no reason to get in for the buy just yet. I don't see a reason to, other than the fact that it's sitting at this zone. So as long as it doesn't break this zone, then it should buy. Moving on to gold. Now, gold I went over last week. I put a video up on my YouTube. I haven't checked it since then. This will be the first time I looked at it since then, but gold is doing exactly what I said it was gonna do. It looks like it's just barely missing my target price. Obviously, I'm not in this trade. I just set this up for y'all. So hopefully someone got to catch this, because I didn't catch it because I don't trade gold. But what I will say is it still looks like it's selling. It hasn't reached this key level yet. So I do believe gold is still selling. And it should go down to 1750. That's where I was expecting it to go. And honestly, it could even go a bit lower than that. It could probably go to 1670. But just to keep things realistic, I would shoot for 1750, because this thing is still selling. And it's probably not going to start buying until it reaches this zone. And like I said, it could even go past this zone. It could go to about right here at least. So gold is still selling. Hopefully y'all got to catch this. I marked this literally. Yeah, I marked this literally. I've been watching gold since. Y'all been having me watch gold since. Y'all been having me watch gold since the beginning of this year. And I'm honestly, I'm inspired to start trading it because it's been doing everything that I said it would do. I just don't trade it. So yeah, it's definitely still a long-term sale. And I wouldn't be looking for no buys until it hits 1750. If it goes past 1750, then at that point, I wouldn't be looking for buys until it hits about 1700 area. So that would be my opinion for gold. Y'all is blowing the comments up. I love this. Okay, let me see what I missed. Thank you. I was looking for buys. I'm hoping that's you were looking for buys for EurUsd, because I know that's what we just talked about. Trey, you the GOAT, so I'm not surprised you're still in from last week. I'm waiting for it. Yes, definitely wait for it to reach that level, because I'm personally waiting for gold to reach this level. I'm actually gonna move this alert back up for now, and then once it gets there, I'll see what it's doing. But I'm gonna catch the long-term buy for gold when it does reach its key level. Like that will be the one time I get in gold, because honestly, I'm tired of watching it and I'm not in. So, excuse me, I'm gonna definitely be catching that long-term buy, excuse me, when it happens. Hey, Alouette. Good morning, happy Monday. So moving to NAS 100. Now, I saved NAS 100 and US 30 for last because those usually move together. Like all the indices usually move together. Why can't I find this? NAS 100, there we go. Yeah, so all the indices usually move together for the most part. I thought I had this marked up, but apparently I don't. I don't know why I just have this one line on here. Do I have anything on the 15-minute? No. Apparently I haven't marked this. It's usually marked though, because it's marked on my trading view on my phone. So this is weird. I don't know. Anywho, so NAS has been selling, y'all. And the one thing I want to say off the bat, it has been a while. I've been wondering how you've been. Off the bat, I will say the stocks, the cryptos, those two markets have been selling like crazy. And if you are experienced with NAS, you know that NAS is produced with the top 100 companies like Microsoft, Apple, Netflix, things like that. So if all those companies are selling, or if the top companies are selling, then you know it's going to cause NAS 100 to sell. So NAS 100 has been selling for some time. I definitely wouldn't be looking for no buys just yet. I honestly would stick to catching short-term sales, maybe even long-term, because this thing has, it's starting to create those lower highs and lower lows. And the only thing that's really crazy about this is, from experience, I know that NAS is usually one of those pairs that is always in an uptrend. Like if you look at it, like back tested, you'll notice that it's always moving in an uptrend. So right now, for this thing to be selling so crazily, it's just like, wow. But yeah, more of the story is though, so I will be sticking to looking for sales, and I'm gonna check US 30 to see, you know, what it's doing. But overall, this thing is selling, y'all. And it's been selling. And I don't believe the sale is going to be done until probably after this week. Oopsie. So I'm trying to see, do I want to mark this chart up or do I want to just tell y'all that it's just going to be selling? Because I don't, let me see. Matter of fact, hold on. I want to do this differently. I'm kind of sick that this chart isn't marked. It was marked and I don't know why it's not marked anymore. I literally have been watching that. I don't trade it, but I've been watching it. Oh, thank you for telling me that, because I'm in that trade, Lou, and I'm like, I have to make sure that my analysis is right, because it's a lot on the table. Like, I can't tell y'all everything because I'm trying to wait till stuff is finished, but just know, I can't afford to take any trade right now. Like, all my setups have to be fire, like, for real. If you know, you know, because some people know, and if y'all know, don't put my secret out, but I will tell y'all. I will tell y'all in due time, probably within a week. Hey, happy Monday. Thank you, thank you. Because I need my TP to hit, like, for real. But yeah, NAS, what I will say is, even though right now it's looking like it's pushing upwards, the overall trend is down. So this thing should, I don't believe it's gonna go back up to the zone I just threw on here. I do believe it's going to continue to sell. It might even just push back down to test this zone. So I will look for short-term sales unless, yeah, I will look for short-term sales, honestly, because this thing been selling. It's been selling for like a while. So I wouldn't look for no buys just yet. Let me go down to the 4-hour. Yeah, this should keep pushing down. It's probably going to test this level again. Yeah, I would be looking for sales. Are you talking about the $100 challenge, babe? Because I definitely, I have it in my pile of sticky notes somewhere in here. I don't know. Yeah. Clearly, I was supposed to do it in April, and I know I didn't do it yet. I do still have intentions on doing that $100 challenge, y'all. I just need to, I'm going to plan out a profit goal for that. And as far as the lot sizes, proper risk management and everything, because I'm very, very strategic. I literally plan stuff out to the T, like literally to the T. So once I plan out the profit goal, the lot sizes, I'm going to get it in a PDF and everything. I will drop it in the chat. And then whoever is interested, we will definitely go ahead and do that, because I want to do a $100 challenge. It's been a while, honestly, since I've traded a $100 account, because like I said, y'all, I've been up to some things. And if you could put 2 and 2 together, you might be able to figure it out. If not, yeah, I will let y'all know soon. But I definitely want to do that $100 challenge, because my account is ready. It has the money it needs. I just need to plan everything out. So I promise I will actually work on that. I actually will start that today, just to get everything planned out. And then maybe we could do it for June, because I want it to be either 2-week challenge or a month challenge to see what we can do in 30 days type junk. So I'm gonna figure out the details, and then I will definitely let y'all know. But moving on to US 30 so that we can keep this going, and this video is not gonna be that long for YouTube. NAS 100 sales, US 30 should be sales too, because they both move together. So if my computer wants to move, we can do this. See, now this is marked. This is marked. I don't see why NAS 100 wasn't marked. Oh, beautiful. Do y'all see this beautiful flag pattern I drew out? I don't even know when I did this, but that play out was crazy. Ooh. I don't don't even remember when I marked this. Obviously, my zones aren't updated, so it's been a while. But this chart is cute. What is this yellow? Like, why is this yellow? I'm about to change this. Okay, boom. So US 30, just like I said with the NAS 100, definitely bearish. So right now it's already broken where I will put my zone, and it kind of looks as if it's retesting it. Hold on, y'all, give me a minute. And this is literally a good example for you guys as far as updating your zones. I easily just threw some zones in because I noticed that my zones were no longer up to date. So I just threw some zones in. Now, normally I would delete all of these zones because they're not relevant to current price, but I'm gonna leave them because I don't really care at the moment. But price already broke this zone. It looks like it retested it. So from this standpoint, I probably would either, depending on, your strategy, and I trade zone to zone, I probably would let that candle close fully before going in for the sell for US 30. Because NAS, it was clear as day. But because of this zone and how it's drawn out, I would let that close out first before looking to get in for that sell. Yes, I can't wait either. I'm excited. I'm super excited. Hey, you guys. Happy Monday. For those that are just joining in, we are on the last pair. I will be posting this to my YouTube. It is being recorded, so it's okay. And I will post it to Instagram as well, so you can watch it on either or. But right now, US 30, I will be looking for sales for this as well. I personally will wait for this candle to close on the 4 hour, either the 4 hour or the day, before executing. And honestly, this is a break and retest that is clear as day. So honestly, it would be up to you as far as setting up your target prices and everything. But definitely will be looking for sales for NAS 100 and US 30. As long as this 4 hour candle closes out strong bearish, or even the day chart, it just depends on your style of trading. But the higher the time frame, the more accurate the analysis is. So that concludes this live, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a profitable week. I'm going to try my hardest to send some signals out. I've been trying to come out of this funk of sickness that I have been in, but I'm planning on having a great week. So I hope you guys have a great week. If you need my help one-on-one, feel free to book a session with me. I love what I do and I love helping y'all. And I only do this once a week. So if you want help Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday for the market, you should definitely book a one-on-one with me so that we can make sure your week goes accordingly. Because I only go live on Mondays. But other than that, I will see you guys on my YouTube channel. I have videos coming. And yeah, y'all have a great week. And you're very welcome. And just before I close this video, you guys, I just closed it on Instagram, but I want to let you guys know I'm always on Instagram going live. So I know this might have been a bit of a weird kind of video because I was talking to them and y'all, but I always go live on Instagram to go over the market. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope y'all have a profitable week too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.